Happy freaking Monday. I said Monday, didn't I? It's Taco Tuesday, Ava. What's wrong with these peoples, man? Alright, so we are live, y'all. Welcome to the N.C.A.M session where we are no longer confused about money. Alright? I appreciate each and every one of y'all joining with us. And like I always say, you guys gonna learn something very, very valuable. Just sit back and relax. And got my girl Ava with me. Say hi, Ava. Say hi, mama. Look, right there. Say hi, mama. Say hi. So, guys, we are live once again, doing it all over again. And like I said before, we're going to jump right into this and get things started. So, right now, we're looking at gold. Gold is a commodity. Now, I always tell people it doesn't matter what we are investing into. As you guys can see, we trade into commodities, indexes, stocks. It doesn't even matter what it is. We're able to make money off of these things. And I just want to share that with you guys right here on this live video today. Now, if you guys stick to the very end with me, I got something very special for each and every one of y'all. Uh-oh. Sorry, mama. I'm sorry. I know that hurt. I'm sorry. She a champ. You a champ, ain't you? You a champy, ain't ya? Alright, so what we look for is simple things. So let's drop down. Let's see if we can find some. Alright, so see if we can find some hidden gems. So right out the gate, we can see that gold today had just like fell off the face of the earth, meaning that sellers took over this gold. So gold fell off the face of the earth. So you could have made money off of this move, this one move that had happened. Is you guys seeing this? So with this one move right here, you could have made money off this. So let me zoom out because I look for patterns. And that's what I'm trying to get you guys to understand, that it's not hard if you guys just focus on what matters, and what all the other stuff matter, it don't matter. So off gold, the reason why gold fell off the face of the earth, because look, boom. What do we get? We get a nice little M pattern, and then they fall off, right? Do y'all see that? So this is how we make our money, and this is how we're able to be consistent with it. We're selling high, or either we're buying low. So we're not, doing anything else. We're either buying the market or we're selling the market. It's just that simple. It's nothing else that we do. It's sellers for the market going down, right? It's buyers for when the market go up. That's it. So for you guys that's holding on to your money, right? Holding on to that $2,000 or whatever you got. You holding on to that money and you're not doing anything with it. Saving $2,000 is cool and all, but investing $2,000 to make $10,000, $20,000 is where it's at. All right. The goal is to make $2,000 a day comfortably, simply because you are now not just an ordinary person like me, right? We're ordinary people at the end of the day, but we decided to invest into ourselves. We decided to invest into a skill set that can make us $2,000 a day, $2,000 a week. You see what I'm saying? Because now we're educated. If you know better, you do better. And we all know that. So I'm here just paying it forward every single day, as you guys can see. I'm here every single day paying it forward to the next person. It's going to be one person or two people out of this live video that's going to get what we're talking about. See how this can fund their dreams. See how this can help them propel themselves into their future and take it and run with it. And that's all that we're here for. Because it's a life-changing skill set. Alright? So, y'all see the pattern. We're going to go ahead and keep it moving. So, M pattern. Just remember that. Boom. M pattern, right? Now let's go into a currency pair. I thank God that I got this skill set every single day. I thank God for this skill set. I'm not lying to y'all. I prayed for a skill set like this decades ago. And, I'm grateful for a skill set to be able to make money whenever I decide to. Now, we just went to the British pound versus the US dollar, right? Remember what I said. Now, of course, this has already happened, but you guys can attest. We do this every single day. So, right out the gate, we get a M pattern. Boom, right? Get another M pattern, right? And then what? What they do? They fall off the face of the earth. That means that sellers took control. So when you wake up today and you look at this chart, what you want to ask yourself every single day that you come and wanting to invest, you look at the chart, and like I say, you read it from left to right. So if you guys are listening to me, this is how you read a chart. This is how you break it down. You read the chart from left to right because it's past to current situation. That's how you read it. Now, I always come to the chart and I say, all right, cool. What am I looking for? Where is the money, right? Am I a seller today or am I a buyer today? Those are my questions that I ask myself because I'm able to make money if I can, answer those questions. If I can't answer those questions, then I do not need to put my money at risk. I do not need to trade. All right? It's just like us dating men and women, right? We are very bougie in particular on what type of men and women we like, right? So why not be the same way when it comes to investing your money? Because at the end of the day, you don't want to lose your money, right? All right, so I'm giving you game on how to go about it the right way. So just shows you guys on the British pound, we get a nice M pattern once again. And that's what we look for. We look for M patterns to make money. We look for patterns to confirm our decision making. So we're going to go ahead and go into an index. Now, as you guys know, indexes are different from, currency pairs and commodities. Now, I've been looking at this one for a while, but I want to break this one down a little different. On a bigger time frame, we see a W pattern on this one. And inside the inner circle, I update all the members on, all the trades that happen, before they actually play out. And we've been talking about this particular Dow Jones trade for a while. And I was letting the guys know, like, hey, if buyers take over, then, we are no longer looking for sellers to, continue the trend. And as you guys can see, we get a nice W pattern, means that when we see this, we are buying low. When we see the pattern, it already gives us confirmation that we are buying the market low, at a low price. So all that means when we're buying low, we're literally pressing the buy button. Literally pressing the sell and buy button. All right? In this case, you guys can see we got a nice little W. And that's what we want to see. So let's go into, let's see what else we got. See what else we got cooking up, right, Ava? So this one right here, I broke this one down a while back as well. And this is the euro versus the US dollar. And like I say, it don't matter what we're trading. It all comes down to buyers and sellers. Sellers are stepping into the market. And I want to show y'all this. So when we see this little head and shoulders pattern, y'all see that? It says left head and right shoulder, right? When we see this, that's telling us that the market is getting ready to transition from what was going on. So let me zoom out. Remember I said we're reading the chart from left to right. If you're looking at it from left to right, you can see the chart started at the bottom and then went all the way up, right? That means that buyers had control. Listen to me. Buyers had control, right? But now we're starting to see a transition play out. Buyers had control, but now they put the head and shoulders in there, right? And now we can see the market starting to trickle downward now. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's smooth, right? Now we know as investors, I'm going to say this, I'm going to keep it moving. We know as investors, in this case, hey, I don't want to be buying the market right now because the market is showing me something different. The market is showing me that they're ready to transition into a downtrend. So me as a smart investor, I'm going to sit back and wait for the lower high opportunities so I can sell the market at a high price on the way down. Because that's what they're doing right now. We're selling the market at a high price. We sell high and we let the market go down. We know that we are sellers already. Alright? And that's it. It's nothing more complicated. It's nothing else to it. That's it. Alright, so let's see what else we got cooking up. Let's go into the euro versus the British pound. Now, this one right here I've been waiting on for a while now. And overall, on this one, as you guys can see, we're in a nice little consolidation patch right here if you look at it in a bigger picture of things. But let's zoom out to a smaller time frame. So today, Remember what I said. The market is only going to do two things. You're either a buyer or a seller. That's it. I promise you. I'm not lying to you. Any of y'all want to win $2,000, we can bet money right now. Any of y'all. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't steer you in the wrong direction. The market only do two things. And that makes it easy for me and you to pick up this information. Right? Because you got to be either or. And that's it. So yesterday I was talking about how the market do the same thing over and over again. And yesterday they did the same thing. And today they did the same thing. So on this pair right here, watch this. We get a low of the day. And so far, because the market is just getting started today, we get a high of the day. You guys catching this? So watch this. Every single day we can depend on the market to create a high of the day and a low of the day. How does that and why does that matter to you? Because in this in-between thing, look, if I take it from the bottom to the top, there's money to be made. That's how we make our money, right? So the distance from the high and low is our money maker. That's how we make our millions, our 6 figures, our 7, 8 figures, right? Because we find the opportunities that puts us in a position to make money. It's just like us fishing, like I always say. You show me how to fish. After that, I don't need you to go fishing with me. I know how to go fish on my own. I know how to eat for for an eternity now. It's the same thing with this. Once I show you how to eat, once I show you how to make money in these markets, then you can begin to do it over and over and over again. All right? And every single day, the market will create a high and low of the day. And they do that every single day. So look, I just showed you the euro versus the British pound. Let's go into the S&P. S&P 500. S&P 500, this is what they did yesterday. That was the low, right? And this is the high of yesterday. If we take the measurement tool, we can take our ruler, is what I like to call it, our ruler, and we take it from the bottom to the top. The S&P went up 75 points yesterday. So 75 points times whatever dollar amount you have access to, whatever dollar amount you want to put on the table, that's how much money you can make. All right? I tell people don't worry about the money part yet. Just learn the skill set because money is all over the place with this. So you ain't going to be short any supplies of money doing this. I guarantee that. And that's why I tell people investing and doing this is a no-brainer. It's been the culture. All the other stuff y'all doing, I don't know what y'all up to and what y'all thinking, but it ain't got nothing on the foreign exchange market, the stock market, the equities market. It ain't got nothing on it. You ain't making no type of money like this if you're not trading or investing. I'm telling you. All right? So every single day, we can depend on the market creating a high and a low. Now watch this. Remember what I just said, right? So me knowing that, I know that the market, as far as the S&P, this is the current high of today, right? Now they are currently working on the low, right? They're right here. We don't know if this is going to be the authentic low of today. They may go further down, but I know that so far we have a high and a low in place already. Remember what I said. The market's going to do the same thing over and over again. I guarantee you. And like I said, if anybody want to bet me on that, I got $2,000 cash waiting on you. So, let's see what else we got. Let's go into the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ is actually creating a double top pattern. This is how we make our money. This is a great example of a setup that you can take advantage of. Remember I said how we go fish and you show me how to fish? I'm showing you how to fish and make money. So after this, you don't need me. After this, you can go eat on your own. So look, we got an M pattern. That means that we are selling high. Boom. See that? You had two opportunities. The two red arrows represents where you want to position yourself to press that sell button. So when it goes further down away from that arrow, you're making more and more and more and more money. All right? And as you guys can see, they came right back up. And then they gave us another opportunity to get in to sell the market down at a high price. And you sell the market down. And as it goes further and further away from your entry, where you enter that, where you press that button at, you're making more and more money. Now, let me tell you guys something. The great part about what we're doing and what this industry is all about is that I'm able to place these trades. And me and baby Ava are able to walk away and go live our life. We don't have to sit here and watch the chart. We're able to set our trades and forget and go walk away. So now, that $100 that I invested is going to cook up and compound to $2,000 or whatever it is, all while we go live our life. We don't have to sit here and watch it because this is an investment. We're investing $100 or whatever, and we're letting our $100 make more money for us. We're not sitting here and working for it. It's working for us. And I want you to understand that. Because if you can understand that, then you will begin to invest into yourself. You begin to invest into learning this information. It's a no-brainer. If you tell me I can give you $100 and you can grow that $100 for me, I don't have to work for it. I'm working smart and not hard. Come on, sign me up. Because now I'm not dependent on my mom, dad, a job, nobody. I have a skill set that I know for a fact that can make me money. Build wealth. We're talking generational wealth in this case. If you guys got kids, like myself, then you damn sure should be investing. Like I said, investing is a no-brainer. And we're here to help you guys. I'm here to help each and every one of y'all, but I can't help you unless you want to help yourself. And that's just what it is. I was just talking about this the other day to some family members, and they was like, Mike, man, you so smart and all that. I was like, dude, I'm not saying I'm not smart, but I feel like the only difference between me and other people is that what's your level of ambition? What's your level of motivation and drive? That's the only thing that separates us and anybody else who's more successful than us. So don't get it misconstrued or nothing. That's straight facts. The only difference is that, hey, what do you have inside you that's going to drive you? Right? Because if you don't have no ambition, no drive, you're not going to reach out to inquire about this information to see how you can start making money on your own because you don't have it within you. That's the only thing that separates most of us. All right? And I got baby Ava falling asleep over here. You right, mama? So we're about to go ahead and jump off this live video, but I have to get on here every single day and do my job and spreading this information and this knowledge on how, if you guys want to say it, I'm just piggybacking on what you guys think, but it's not true. This is how the rich get richer and all that stuff. But, it's not true because us ordinary people, we're all ordinary people, even the rich people. We all have the same opportunity. We all have the same 24 hours, and we all have the same platform to make money. It's either you know about it, because now you do. But now it's up to you to take advantage of it. Because I'm showing you how the rich get richer, how they stay rich, how they make money. Right? It's up to you to believe me. It's up to you to not just believe me, but go to our website. See the proof. Because like I said, don't take my words. Go to the website. See the proof. I like to show proof. Show proof of money being made. Show proof of other people making money. Show proof of how simplified it is. All of that I'm talking about, I like to back it up. And you guys can see that proof on the website. Because like I say, I like to do this to change lives. Show people that it's not difficult, not time consuming, and it's not, as risky as you probably think it is. Get invested. If you want help, guidance, we're here for help. We're here to help you. Get invested. Because like I always say, investing has been the culture. Right? But it's now the new swag. It's your boy, Mr. 120 Dreams. I love y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. Holla.